I will just be trying to catch 100 spikes on boom and crash today. Hello guys, so this is Mr. P, and today guys, we'll actually just be trying to catch 100 straight spikes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100 spikes, and we'll be trying to catch it with a single entry, right? So just go into a trade and want to hold up for up to 100 spikes. So we want to catch 100 spikes just like that, right? Spikes just like that simultaneously up to 100, right? That's exactly what we'll actually just be doing at this particular spot today. So I don't know how much time this is going to take. I don't know how much time, but guys, I love pushing stops to the extreme, and we'll actually just be trying it. I'll be showing you exactly how we're going to go into this trade. I'm going to show you the exact strategy so you are not confused, right? I'm going to show you the exact strategy that we're going to use, and we're going to go into the trade together, and we'll start counting until we get to 100. Not to waste so much time, guys, let's actually hit it now. Okay guys, so this is actually what we're having currently, right now. Well, first of all, we're actually having a capital of about 1.4k, right? That's what we'll just be using here, right, to actually just trade this particular stuff. And if we actually check out this particular stuff very well, this is actually what we're having. You can actually notice that this particular stuff is pushing up, right? Meaning it's on an uptrend and then it's taking up. Now, if you look at this particular spot, you should actually notice what I call a nice consolidation movement here, right? A nice consolidation movement, right? Which kept pushing up and dropping down just like that at about this spot right now. We can actually see what's happening in the chart just in what I call in just a basic form. We actually can see what's happening in the chart. So what do we do now in this particular spot? What we can do now is to actually map out this chart to actually get at least a sniper entry or almost a sniper entry like that. So what we're just going to do first of all, guys, is this. We're just going to acknowledge what we just said. First of all, right, we actually just said that this particular stuff is pushing up, was pushing up actually, sorry. And then what do we notice? We notice that this particular stuff actually dropped down like this, right? You can actually see it actually dropped down. Now it dropped down. What happened was that there was actually a basis of it dropping down, right? It was on an uptrend, it dropped down, and then it creates the basis of dropping down again here. My MC100 students actually understand exactly what I'm saying. This would take a long time to actually explain, so sorry, I can't really explain this so much, but then we actually have a basis around this particular spot that was actually created. Now immediately as that stuff was created, a retest happened, a normal retest actually occurred. Now what's that telling me? It's telling me that if I actually track this particular stuff, even if I have not seen anything before, even if this part does not exist, you hit this part from me, I will know that there was a consolidation before. I will just naturally know, because what happened? A breakout happened, a basis occurred, it came back to give a retest. Now, whenever you see a basis, it means that the consolidation actually occurred, right? So I simply just check it out. Boom, a consolidation occurred. It started a nice uptrend on my 15 minutes time frame. Now it's dropping down. So what do I wait for? I wait for a retest. Boom, has retest been completed? Yes. Why is retest completed? I simply come to the spot and check. Boom. Let me check this level. Boom. Now these are all steps, right? These are all steps. In case you don't understand what steps are, I actually have a video on it. You can actually just check through the playlist of what I can trading strategy, forex and trading strategies like that. You can check the playlist there. You should actually find what I can a video on steps, right? Now I actually applied the rule of steps here. Boom, it actually hits my steps. Now immediately after hitting my steps, I know that the retest is done. The next thing I'm expecting it to do now is to give me a bearish engulfing, and boom, it actually gave me my bearish engulfing here. It actually spiked, and boom, my bearish engulfing was completed. So what's actually happening now is actually just simply telling me that this particular stuff is just going to keep dropping now. It's just going to keep dropping. So where do I place my stop loss? Now my stop loss, where to place my stop loss is a kind of like very interesting, because instead of placing my stop loss at about this zone, I won't use this zone to place it. I'll actually come towards this zone to actually place my stop loss. Towards the zone to actually place my stop loss. And then you'll be like, Mr. P, why will you place a stop loss there? The reason is because usually we have a retest that is completed, but sometimes there is a second retest, right? Now, if a second retest occurs, it can't really hit this particular level, right? It can't really hit this particular level. If it hits this level, it means that it actually wants to take off true to around the spot, and we don't want that. So because of that, we actually want to place it on the maximum level at stop loss there. Now that's it, guys. And even though it's actually clear that we've missed some trades, right? It's actually clear that we've missed some trades, but it's actually cool, guys. We can actually just storm into this trade now and actually just start catching our pips. So before doing that, we'll actually just rush straight to we just rush straight to our 1 minute time frame, so we can actually see the movement and we can actually count our spikes and the rest just like that. We already know our stop loss level. We already know our we already know our entry level where we are at currently. We already know all the levels, and we know that boom, it's perfect now to actually go in. So let's go in now, guys. So that this is actually what you're having currently, guys. So we're actually just having this, right? So we're actually just having this. So now it's actually just the wait, guys. It's actually just the wait to actually just stocked in a few sales, and we're actually using a margin of about 413. Don't forget, guys, we're actually trading on Crash 1000. Okay, so please don't write down there what are you trading on. We're actually trading on a synthetic index today, and this is actually Crash 1000, right? And yeah, we're actually having a free margin of about $1,000 here, and our capital is actually 1.4k. Our equity currently is about 1.4k. So no spike has occurred currently. Currently, we're still on red. It's minus 28. We're still on red currently. It's not like blue yet, right? We're still red currently, but watch it, just wait. So I would try to cut out a lot of boring parts from this video because we're trying to catch 100 spikes, and hopefully this actually goes very well, right? We're trying to catch 100 spikes, and now we just start the countdown, and we just keep going like that. We just start counting the spikes, and we just see how it goes, guys. So currently you can actually see we're actually moving to actually just start a count now. This one was above our normal this one was above, so it was on red, so we are not counting this. So start counting from this while it actually went to profit. So this will be 1, and this will be 2, and this will be 3, right? So that's just the thought. So we'll actually just wait. Let me actually just drop this out. So this will be 1, right? And this will be 2, and this one here will actually be 3, right? So we're actually having 3 currently. We'll actually just wait and actually just see how it goes. So guys, this will actually kind of like not be a very stressful video from what I can see. Well, just after some time, this is actually what you're having. So we stopped at 3, which was this, right? We stopped at 3rd, which was this. So this 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So currently we actually have like 10 spikes, right? Which is actually really, really smooth, right? There's really nothing we can actually do here. Is to actually just wait, right? It's to actually just keep waiting. Okay, guys. So after some time, we're actually having this, right? We're actually just having we stopped at 10, right? Which is this 10. So this 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Guys, we're actually moving, guys. We're actually moving. So we're actually having like 15 currently, right? That was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so that's 15. So we'll actually just keep waiting and actually just see how it goes. Basically, we're just waiting for the spikes to occur, right? But what we don't want is for this stuff to start pushing up, right? We don't want that, right? We don't want that for real. But we'll actually just keep waiting, guys. It's actually just so smooth. We'll actually just keep waiting. We actually stopped here 15. So this will be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, right? So we're actually having 23 spikes now that we've actually caught. And if you actually check out our profit here now, we're actually having about 2.4k, right? So we're actually running at about this particular spot now. So we'll actually just keep waiting, guys. Okay, guys, so we actually stopped on 23. So now we actually stopped at this spot here. So we're now having 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, right? So we're actually having 33 spikes now. So this will be 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, right? So this will be 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So this will be 48, 49, 50, 51, right? 51, that will be 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So we actually just successfully crossed 50, guys. So currently we're having like 57 currently at the spot, right? So it's just to wait for a little longer to we're actually getting closer, guys. We're actually getting closer. This is actually really, really smooth, right? This is actually really, really smooth. So that if we actually check out this particular stop now, guys, this is actually smooth. From what I can see, seems like we're done. Let's actually just see now. So we're actually having we stopped at 93, so we're having 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100, guys. This is actually so smooth, guys. We actually just literally caught 100 spikes on crash 1000 just like that. So that if we actually check currently, we're actually having about 8.9k. That's actually what we're having here currently, even though it's reducing now because it's going up and things like that. So we're actually having about 8.9k. That's actually what we're having here at this particular spot currently, which is actually really smooth, guys. So guys, I will actually just leave this trade. It seems like it will actually still drop, but then the mission was to catch 100 spikes. So I'm sorry guys, I won't close this one today. I know I usually close the trades, but this has to still drop. So for that reason, I'm sorry, I will just have to hold this trade for a little longer because it should still drop. So I'll actually just hold it. So maybe just get to like 10k around that range. And yeah, so guys, our target has actually hit. We're able to actually catch 100 spikes on crash 1000. So guys, don't forget guys, just remember to drop your comments down there, guys. I actually read every single comment. I want to drop your comment down there. I'll respond to as many people as I can respond to, but I will read every single comment that is actually there. So that's just how Spike Cluster actually goes, guys. I'm actually so excited, guys. You have no idea, guys. I'm actually so excited. Like, we just keep pushing the stuff, right? We just keep pushing beyond the limit, just like that, guys. That's just how it's supposed to be, right? Just keep pushing beyond the limit, right? We can't just remain in one spot, right? We'll have to keep pushing and keep pushing and keep pushing, just like that, guy. So guys, you actually saw how I went into the trade. You saw the analysis from the beginning. We actually just plotted out every single stuff there, and then went straight to our 1 minute time frame, went into our trade, and then we started counting our spikes, just like that. So guys, if you're actually new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscription button, hit the like button, and remember to turn your notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. So guys, if you're actually new, please hit on the subscription button. We're actually running about 48,000 subscribers currently, and we're just trying to see if we can just hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible, just like that. So if you're new to this particular YouTube channel, just hit on the subscription button, and remember to share this video so more people can also hit on the subscription button and also watch this video, just like that. So guys, I'll actually be reading your comments. I'll be reading your comments. I read every single comment. I might not be able to respond to every single one, but I respond to a lot of comments there. So you can actually drop your questions there. You can drop all your comments, every single stuff that you actually want to say. You can actually drop them there. I read every single comment, right? And from the comment section and the end of the month, I actually go through the comment sessions of all our videos for the month, and actually select some random people from there, and actually add them to my VIP group completely for free, just like that. Remember, if you actually want a funded capital, you actually want your a funded capital, you want a larger account, you can actually do that from the Traders Capital Frame. That's the tradercapital.com. You can actually get a funded account. You can get up to from $3,000 up to $100,000, just like that, right? And you can actually get it easily, just like that. You can decide to go through a one-step challenge or a two-step challenge, or you can decide to not go for a challenge at all. Like, if you don't want to go for any challenge, you can actually get it there also. Like, you get funded instantly and you start receiving your payouts, just like that. So that's just how Spike Cluster actually goes, guys. It's a bye from guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.